Lizzie, you excited? What kind of earrings you getting? What's that?
Lower.
Really?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I'm going to put two little purple dots on your ears, just like that. Okay? That way I can make a smiley face if you smile. And these are going to be where the earrings will go. We will move them around wherever. So it's completely up to you guys. We'll make sure they're even. There's one for you. Right at me. That went down just a teeny bit. If you guys want to take a look at those dots, see if you like where they are. Like I said, I'll move them around wherever. So.
Turn your head, Lizzie.
That looks good to me.
That one bled a little because it was wet, but it'll be right in the center of that. So.
Okay. Look at me, Lizzie. Yeah, it works for me.
You want to see them? There you go.
That's where they're going to go. They put the dots there. That's where the earrings are going to go.
Get a little pink and purple for you.